Hello friends, today we have one innocent looking integral, that is from -2 to 1 we have to integrate this 1 by x squared dx. So let's see what's the catch in this integral and why is it called innocent integral. So this can be written as -2 to 1 x raised to the power -2 dx, and after integration it is x raised to the power -2 plus 1 by -2 plus 1 and the limit of integration, that is -2 to 1. So this can further be simplified into x raised to the power -1 by -1 and the limit of integration, that is -2 to 1. So this can further be written as 1 by negative of x with the limit of integration -2 to 1. So we can solve this simply and we can write the answer as, means we will put the upper limit minus the lower limit. So the upper limit is 1, therefore it will be like this, means in place of x we are writing the upper limit, then we have to put the lower limit, that is minus of -2, because minus x is given and in place of x we have to write -2, therefore it is minus of -2, and this is inside one bracket and this whole is complete inside one bracket. So this we will get as -1 minus of, here this minus minus will become plus, so it is -2, this is equal to -3 by 2. So we got the integration, means the integration of -2 to 1 by x squared dx is equal to this, that is -3 by 2, solved. But wait a minute, just wait a minute, is this integration correct? Is it correct? Tell me, is it correct? Because first of all we know that integration is nothing but finding the area bounded by a given curve. So area bounded by a given curve can never be negative, and here we see it is a negative sign. So can the integration or the area bounded by the curve from -2 to 1 be negative? Can it be negative? Can area be negative? No, area can never be negative. Also at the point 0, 1 by x square is a discontinuous function. At the point 0, 1 by x square is not defined. Even after integration, the integrand that we are getting, means after integration the the solution, the function that we are getting, that is 1 by minus x, this is also not defined at the point x equal to 0, means at the point x equal to 0 this is not defined. Also the area is negative, this is negative. So that means whatever the process that we had made to solve this integration from -2 to 1 is wrong. Therefore this is wrong, this is wrong. So we cannot rely on this technique, this is wrong. So let's see where we are doing wrong. So it was given -2 to 1 by x square dx, it is given like this. The problem is if we plot it in on the graph, if we plot it, what we will get, see, this is the axis, and let me change the color. Yeah, so it is basically nothing but a asymptote. This is called asymptote. The graph will come like this, where this horizontal is the x-axis and the vertical is the y-axis, and 1 by x square on plotting we will get like this. This is asymptote. Asymptote means it assumes to be touching the axis but is actually never touching the axis, so it is an asymptote. So at the point 0, this is the point 0 origin, this is the point 0, at the point 0 the value of the function is undefined. So what we will do, basically we will break the limits, that is from -2, this is actually improper integral, so we will break the limits from -2 to 0, or basically we cannot write 0 because at the point 0 the function is undefined. So we will write from -2 to a point b. Okay, we will write from -2 to a point b 1 by x square dx plus again from b to 1 it is 1 by x square dx. Now what is this b? Limit b tends to 0. Now I think we can solve it. Let's see. Now we can solve it. So further we can write it as, limit b tends to 0 minus. Why 0 minus? Because we are approaching 0 from the negative side, that is from -2. So on the number line on the number line, if this point is 0, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. So from -2 we are approaching 0, so we will first reach the -0 part, a hypothetical situation. And from the positive side, this is 1, this is 2. If we reach 0, then we will reach the plus 0 or the 0 plus part, that is the positive 0 part. That is a hypothetical situation. That's why we are writing limit b tends to 0 minus, that is the negative, that means the LH means a point which is towards the left of the 0. So limit b tends to 0 minus -2 to b 1 by x square dx plus, again here we will write, since we are approaching 0 from the positive, that is from the positive side, that is from the positive to 0 we are going. So here we will write limit b tends to 0 plus, and it is from b to 1 by x square dx. So we got this. Now what we will do, we will separately solve this one and separately solve this one. So when we separately solve this, so limit b tends to 0 minus this one. So after solving, we note that the solution of this integral will come as, sorry, what happened, we know that the solution of this integral will come as 1 by negative of x, and we will put the limit from -2 to b, and in this we know that the limit of integration will again be 1 by minus x, and we have to put the limit of integration from b to 1, and the definition of b is limit b tends to 0 minus, and here it is limit b tends to 0 plus. So let's see what happens when we solve this part, that is limit b tends to 0 minus 1 by negative of x from -2 to b, so this is equal to nothing but limit b tends to 0 minus, the bracket for the limit part I am giving, upper limit minus the lower limit, that is 1 by negative of b minus of 1 by minus of -2. It will come like this. So it is nothing but limit b tends to 0 minus 1 by negative of b minus 1 by 2. Okay, now we put the values of the limit, that is values of b. So when we put the values of b, it is equal to 1 by 0, you write -0 or +0, that is immaterial, and 1 by 2, this is equal to undefined, this is undefined. So we got that this integral is undefined. Similarly, we will get this integral is undefined. Therefore we simply can say that the integration from -2 to 1 by x square dx is nothing but undefined, or we can say that the value is diverging, in nature, or we can simply say that the integration is diverging. So it is diverging. Therefore we came to the conclusion that from -2 to 1 by x square dx is equal to a diverging integral, hence it is undefined. I hope it is clear. Thank you.